Let's go in.
What is that?
Saying goodbye to our home for 2 years. Today I'm gonna be doing our beach house tour. So this is the entrance to our house. Our car parks over here. And then this is the entrance, and sorry for the baby being a little bit loud. So I really like this daisy. This is like a wildflower that just grew in there. And this is the porch. So I'm gonna be doing a take 2 because I was trying to calm down the baby. So this is the entrance. So welcome sa among gamay nga payag. Welcome to our house.
Mom, Dad said
so Shiloh's gonna tour you around.
Alright.
So here's our apple tree. It's really cool to have, but also a lot of cleanup at the end of the season. And here's a rose of Sharon. It is actually my sister's name, so that was cool to have that. And hummingbirds love it. And then in the back here's our firewood.
Inside the bleeding heart.
Here's our Canterbury bells or foxgloves. And there's our berries.
Berries.
Oh, there's a bunch of
Let's
fruit.
pick one and I can share with my brothers.
So this backyard is just really small, but it's enough for the kids to run around, and it's fenced, so it's really nice.
Yeah.
So this door is like the backyard exit from our bedroom, and we really use it. And there's Shiloh, she's picking up some berries, so we're gonna go back to the front yard. There's our firewood.
I got a berry.
Oh, we forgot, Shiloh, don't forget the bird feeder.
The bird feeder? Oh yeah, we forgot. Hey, I gotta shove something in your mouth. Come on, you're missing something.
It's our porch. So I love the 180 windows in this house. So it's very bright and airy because the space is kind of small. So it's nice to have big windows. You could watch the kids from the outside. And there we have a fireplace that we rarely use, but it's nice to have it for aesthetics, I guess. Hi, Abe. Sit down, buddy. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Huh?
I got one that's green and...
Okay. Shh. Stop running. That's why you get hurt if you run. I'm gonna go in this bedroom. Don't follow me. Just stay in there. So, mauning first nga room sa mga bata. It's not very big, but gamit naman siya nga homeschool room. So, they had all their books and their homeschool stuff in this room. So mani kusina. It's not very big, but I like that it's white. And it has a view to the outside. And then there's a bathroom. It's also not very huge, but it works, I guess. So, ano siya banyo. And then there's a little closet in the side. And then my husband is working on the second room. We're just like cleaning it up. So that's the exit. There's an exit door there. So gawas at takadali. So this door is for the storage and laundry. And then I went back inside to show you the bedroom number 2. There's a door here that goes to the storage. So diri mag laundry. Among a laundry room. It's kind of damp in here in the winter because it's not insulated. And it gets really cold. So this is where we store our stuff, boxes. And there's another storage that way. And then I love this like window, this round nautical window. And then that's another door to the exit, and this door is for the storage. So this, we have a fairly large, tall and large storage. And then that door goes to the outside backyard. So I'm gonna show you this cool window here. It's has a window to our neighbor, but he has 2 bird feeders in there, and there's colorful birds every day, and the kids love watching them. So morning bird hunts among backyard. I already showed you the backyard earlier. So there's a stairway down, going down, and then you'll see the blackberries, and there's some like trees which are not fruit trees, just trees. And so mag 2 years na mi diri nga balay, but we're blessed because our neighbors are really nice. Way labad. Our blackberries are starting.
Yum! I want to pick the pink one.
No, you can't pick the pink one. It's tart.
I want to take it. Yum! We picking berries.
Let me see. Let me see yours. Shallow, don't pick the pink one, Shallow. It's tart.
No, you eat it because you picked it. No, it's for us. No, I don't want
Hey, B. Okay, buddy?
to eat it. I don't want to eat it. No, eat it. I found the last piece for us.
This is our...
You're being careful, Naomi. You want the shallow? Oh, I got another one. Would Naomi? She like grabbed a bunch.
Wow, Naomi, you got a bunch here. Yeah. You want to hold mine too, Naomi? So, Daddy and the kids are just like picking some apples because we're going to be leaving soon. We don't want to try for the last time some apples. These are green apples, but they're fairly sweet. Eat your apple, Abe. Have a bite. Is it sweet? Sweet?
For some reason they're bigger on this side.
So we get like some critters here. We get some woodpecker regularly in this apple tree. So he just pecks every morning. There's a lot of holes in our apple tree. And then we got a lot of hummingbirds in the flower, and the Rose of Sharon flower, so that's really cool. Huh? Abe, let's go in the back, Abe. So the kids are back here again. I think they're gonna pick some blackberries, and I've learned from the locals here that you only pick blackberries that are like about to fall off. They're like very black. You don't pick the pink ones because they're very tart or sour. So you pick the black ones that are about to just fall off. And then these blackberries are wild, so they have like thorns. So
you got your
I
ball
tell the
from
kids to be very careful because the one you buy in stores have they're thornless.
Are you picking some berries?
But these ones are sweeter, the ones with thorns, and we got a lot of them. And birds love to eat them.
You gotta wash it first. No, there's a bunch over there.
And kids love to eat them too.
Oh, there's a butterfly.
Where? Oh, that's a moth. There's some up there. I can't eat that. Oh, there's a one in the very back. I want to eat this one. See that one? I want to eat this purple one. I want to get the dark one. We gotta wash
I
it.
got a bunch, Abe. We're gonna wash it.
I took a seed.
Yeah. Hey, we gotta wash it, buddy.
Yum.
What
I
is?
need
Did you
some
put?
last piece. Whoa.
Yeah, we cut some in here.
Whoa.
We trimmed some of the berries.
Oh, what's this one? That's the green one. The green ones are arriving. It's the last one. And there's our garlic. Our garlic.
We're gonna wash it, bud. You wanna? We're gonna wash it. My. Yeah, just get one, and then you go wash it. You gotta wash it, Abraham. You didn't wash it. Ew. Ew.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Come on, this last piece.
It's loaded with berries.
I'll get a bunch of sour ones for you. I get all the sour ones.
Okay, let's go in. Come on.
Got 3 sour ones for
Her peony is gone. Come on, Abe. Naomi, come on.
Let's go around the front. We didn't touch this. You got moved a little with the tarp. Other than that,
No, we didn't really
we
touch
didn't
it.
touch.
So outside our house, there's a lodge, this blue lodge here where tourists stay during the summer season. It's cool that it's next to us.
Wow.
Our home, beach home. Bye, our beach home. Be home.
Nothing left, just that. Just that. Wipes. Pasty. Pasty. And... Hey, yo, come back in here. No. Dad, everybody's out of their seat.
Hey, be nice to the apple tree.
So the beach is over that way. It's like 5 to 10 minute walk. You'll pass by a river and then you're gonna reach the beach, a dune after that.
Hi.
Let's go in.
What is that?
So these clips are actually
on,
like a
Dad.
few days before we moved, so it's not cleaned yet. So we're just packing. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like when we were still packing. There's a bunch of boxes and
Let's get in.
big black bags for our stuff.
This is our stuff. We're moving. Come on, Naomi. I'm gonna close the door. Our hydrangeas are blooming. There's another one. And a rose of Sharon is blooming.
I'm gonna go fast.
Say hi, Abe. Let's look at our apples. We got apples.
Right up the top.
Yeah, our apples are
There's some
also
apples are falling.
fruiting.
There's one. And
So this is our home for almost 1.5 years. So let's check the back before we leave. Come on, Abe.
Mom, can we get a blackberry?
Is there any fruits?
There's some. I got one. Mommy, I got one.
You gotta wash it.
Yay, I just have to pick one.
Abe, wear you barefoot, bud.
Hey, then I'll just
Here, there's a bunch in here, see?
Then who just will you want me?
Careful, Naomi, you gotta be gentle. See, we got blackberries. Sit down here next to your daddy. Our strawberries are dying because they're done fruiting. And here's my calamansi.
They're still arriving.
And our hydrangeas.
We're start about right here. There you go. Now then, then where you want it, tip it up. You got it.
Well, we've already packed all our stuff. We're ready to close the U-Haul and ride with our pastor's car and then move to our new place.
Sister, right here. Find me the thing.
And there's a last hurdle in our move too, because we had to trim these trees because the U-Haul is gonna get stuck. So my husband had to trim the branches off this tree. It's a pretty pine tree. We've closed the trailer, but as you can see in here, we're actually not done packing it. There's still a bunch of stuff left, and we had to come back multiple times, like 2 more times, to get all this sorted out. And that's what I showed you in the beginning of the video. That's already the cleaned house. But yeah, we still have a bunch of stuff to do here. We had to come back and clean up. There's still dishes in the kitchen. There's a bunch of boxes we had to get rid of, and just trash the trunk. And it's really messy. So I'm glad it's all done, but that's how it looked like when it was all messy. And I admit I do hoard a ridiculous amount of boxes from Amazon and from packages, and we had to get rid of all of that.
Hey.
Huh? Nana Judy.
Judy. Say hi, Nana Judy and Tita and Tatay.
Hi, Nana Judy and Tata and Tita and Tita. Hi. Going to our new house. Yay! Yay!
That's when you push it real gently and then go down.
Hi, buddy.
Come on, guys. Come on.
See the black
Hey, lady.
one.
Hey, baby. How you doing? Uh-huh. Yeah. The girls come to see you.
Nice. Aww.
Here they come. Here
Hello.
they think we got
That's
food.
a cute one.
Here, look. They think we got food
Aw,
for them.
that's so cute. From you.
Reach there. Can you reach?
Look, baby. There's a goat.
Shake your head like,
Hi.
come on, lady. Yeah.
Let me go play with it with the little goat.
See there? She likes to be scratched. See there? She likes to be scratched. Little girl.
Last time.
Little girl.
Yeah.
There's a barn there.